Binataan nga, kwan, binanlag nga. Ano ga to? Batad.
Batad.
But it is not batad. Batad in the Philippines, iba is batad.
Lola and I went to the Vietnamese market earlier and we bought some sea snails because Lauren loves to eat sea snails. The Vietnamese market was in Westminster and Lola's making sea snails with coconut milk and lemongrass. What else, La? And ginger.
Ginger and garlic, and then because I have salt in the garlic and pan. Yung gisa, I have gisa this. I will put naman para.
Lola sauteed the sea snails with garlic, onions, and ginger.
You know, Rika, it's good na butangan vegetable.
Oh.
Sitaw will put.
You want sitaw? We're just gonna eat it as a snack, Black.
Kasi, sige na lang, ibermay na lang. If this is good naman.
This is good. And Lauren is probably one of the most pickiest eaters
This is
out there.
lemongrass.
She's the type of girl.
Ginger. How to get the snails? You do like that?
So you use a toothpick
Yes.
to like pick the snail out of its shell.
Ano to? Hindi makuha. We cannot get out. Baka natamaan.
This is what the snails look like.
Ay, sus, ano man kayo hindi kadulot dito. Ay, nagtago.
And Lola's trying to get the snail out of its shell by using a toothpick.
Neka. The toothpaste cannot get. Toothpaste. Toothpick. I will look for.
So the first time Lauren had sea snails was last year, and surprisingly, she really liked it. Right, Lauren?
Yep.
But it's
So you
hard.
first take out this thingy.
So how do you like eat this?
So you first take out this, and then when
Rika,
you have to get the snail out.
did you get? De?
Wait.
Kasi the one is not good. It's good in needles.
Oh, there it is. There's the snail. Hold on. Show us what it looks like.
It looks like a swirly
Let me see.
snake.
So that's what it looks like. That's the snail. And hold on, Lauren. Let me see. Lauren's about to eat it. Okay, let me see. So what does it taste like?
Ooh, it's yummy.
What does it taste like?
Tastes
like a clam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But more yummy.
So you have to thank Lola Lydia for making this.
Thank you, Lola Lydia.
Lola Lydia is Lauren's great grandma.
Lola means
Thank you. You are welcome.
Where did you learn how to make this dish?
from eating.
Sa akin lang yung kwan eh. This one, hindi yun sa lugar. I have seen how they cook this. And then I do it.
Oh, okay. So the kids from the mountain?
Oh, I don't know mga kids itong nagluto to. I don't know. Mga boy ng mga bata.
Okay, how old were you when you learned how to make this?
During our time when I was small, I am cooking now this. My mother, my mom, cook this.
Your mom and your mother?
We put this vegetable. It's good. Or sabi lang bagoong and sanlag with the
And do you eat it with rice?
yes, we eat with rice eh.
Okay, guys. So
Yes.
Lauren's a very picky eater. Whenever we order pizza, she'll take all the toppings off the pizza and just eat the bread. She refuses to eat the pepperoni the sausage,
Me, I will eat some rice.
but yet she's eating sea snails.
I will eat rice with banana, with egg, with seal. Ay, susa. Sorry.
And in the Philippines, they eat this often.
They're lucky.
Why did you put that? Empty?
They're lucky.
They're lucky duckies. But they're not even duckies.
We, on the other hand, have to go to the Asian market, which is like 20 minutes away from our house, right?
So
The Asian market sells these for $3.89 a pound.
It's good, eh?
And when we got there, there weren't very many left.
yeah.
Oh, look at Lola.
So here's Lola. She's gonna show us how to eat the sea snails with rice.
Siya ka dahil.
And you know what? Nicole has never tried sea snails before, so let's have Nicole try.
Yeah.
So the one thing about Nicole is that she pretty much eats anything. And when she was a baby, she refused to eat jar food, right?
Yeah.
And so I would have to make her baby food.
Yeah.
I would take broccoli and steam it,
It's good. It's about you
steam vegetables and puree them, and Nicole would eat them, right? Nicole ate pretty much
I heard
everything. Tomatoes too.
Go check her YouTube
Okay.
out.
So right now Nicole's gonna try sea snails for the very first time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
This is my last chance.
So here's the sea snail
Look at.
with coconut milk. Nicole, that's a longan. That's a
I
fruit.
love longan.
You love longan. So this is what the sea snail looks like. Oh, okay, we dropped that one. Let's try it again.
There's no fair.
Okay.
Nicole.
Oh, Lola got one for us. This is what the sea snail looks like. It doesn't look very appetizing, but it's pretty good. It tastes like a clam.
Sa Philippines siya egg, eh? The egg is.
I used to like
Here's
clam.
Nicole's first time trying a sea snail.
Egg, yag na ganyan, no?
Mmm.
Nakuhaan dito, and then,
Oh yeah. The snails in the Philippines are bigger, huh? La? So what did you think, Nicole?
It's good.
It's good? It's good. Here's another one. Ate, what do you enjoy eating more of? Do you enjoy eating shrimp more or sea snails?
ay, nungiton ko siya yun.
Sea snail.
Really?
Nicole, eto.
Okay, Nicole, here's another sea snail.
Everybody failed at eating sea snail, and I won the race.
You did.
They gave up. Everybody, and I was the winner. Yeah, and I was the winner chicken dinner.
You like it? Okay, say bye, camera.
Bye, Mama. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe, please. Subscribe to other channel.
Deka, eat na.
Okay, La.